Hi guys, this is Lana. Welcome to my channel. Look what I got today at 99-cent store. Isn't he adorable? I love him. I'm already thinking about spring decor, so let's create something that is spring inspired. So for this project, I took a couple of birdhouses from a Dollar Tree. I think one house is from a Dollar Tree and another one is from 99-cent store. I'm gonna paint them with pastel colors. I'm going with the pastel theme colors for the spring decoration. So one birdhouse will be pink and another one will be teal, and the teal color will be mixed with white, so it's not that bright. So I also get a couple of glass candle holders from Dollar Tree, and I painted them matching colors, and then I took a lacy ribbon also from Dollar Tree, and I glued it with a hot glue to the candlestick or candle holder. I made a simple bow out of that same ribbon, and I glued it to the candle holder, and I attached a little rose flower there. I forgot to mention I bought a few sets of paper flowers at Hobby Lobby. I had a 40% coupon and it was a good deal, and they are absolutely adorable. So I glued them to the bottom of my candle holder. I'm sorry guys, it's a little to the side, but you can still see how I'm working with my hot glue gun. And then I went ahead and glued some flowers to the birdhouse. And I already knew what colors I will be working with as far as painting my birdhouses. So I picked up the flowers that had the same color, pinkish and some blue teal color. Then I just hot glue my birdhouse to the candle holder, and voila, we are done. And as you can see, I did a little texture on the roof of that birdhouse. I will make a separate video on how to do that, but it turned out real well. So here we are to the next one for the pink birdhouse. I pretty much did the same steps. I hot glued my lacy ribbon to the candle holder. Please be careful because that glue is super hot. It's so easy to burn yourself. So just be careful with that. So I made the same bow and I glued a couple flowers to that bow. So for the roof, like you saw, my teal birdhouse had a textured roof. So I decided to bring some interest to this one. So I bought those sheets of pearls at Dollar Tree, and I just decided to attach them to make those that roof with little pearls, and it came out better than I thought. So it's really nice. I just saw that I can add one more row of those pearls and just to finish it. And for the final steps, I'm attaching a couple flowers to my birdhouse. Like I said, I was mindful when I bought my flowers and what colors I would like to use. And my teal birdhouse has a lot of pink flowers on it, but this I decided to use some teal and a little bit more green leaves to bring some interest to this one. And here they are. Let me know what you guys all think. Leave me comments. Please subscribe to my channel. Give me thumbs up. and I will see you next time. Thank you for watching.